I like the entrance.
Hey, this is Beamos. Before we start this video, I like to point out that I noticed that I wasn't really talking much in the video. I thought I was, but apparently I wasn't. I was too busy eating because I had major munchies during this recording, and or maybe my mic was not near enough to pick up my voice, but the gameplay was good and I had a fun playing this game. You should definitely check it out. It's Far Far West from Steam. Uh, Play testing is pretty much going, and it seems pretty fun. I enjoyed it, but I do apologize for not saying much in the video. I do apologize. But if you like the video, please leave a like, and if you enjoyed it that good, subscribe. But without any further ado, let's continue with the video.
It's just fucking. It's just straight up fucking stolen from. Fuck, I forgot the name of the game. Yeah, Sea of Thieves.
Bum, 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 bum.
Pick me up, boogie! I would have beat your dick.
Move! Move! You wanna launch a nuke?
Protect a drill machine. Launch a nuke. Yeah, we'll launch a nuke. Let's do it. Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Yeehaw, suckerfucks! For a second, I thought that was in the game. We have to kill the boss, extract. Alright.
By the way, we should do all the fucking side missions first.
Okay.
Because the moment you fucking do the boss, it's like an infinite wave of enemies from everywhere.
Okay.
Hey, we should probably just go there. Oh, magic!
Oh, how did you mine? And hey, welcome.
I mean, I'm okay. I'm not dead.
Are you guys like coal miners about to die of like lymphoma or like indigestion or something?
We're robots.
It seems like you're a robot cowboy.
Yeehaw, chuckle
Yeah,
fucks.
it's a free game. Well, it's our first time playing it right now.
Who fucking
What
killed
the
the
fuck?
new guy? Who killed the new guy?
Oh my god.
Was it you, Mills?
Mills!
I have no idea what you're talking about. No,
We just started the game and Mills already screwed us.
are you dead? No, you're not. All right.
What happened, bro?
I was like, why the fuck were you shooting at me, Mills? I started shooting back at you.
I wasn't shooting.
didn't-
I was fisting
You
you.
literally looked at me and he started smacking me and I was dying. So
Yeah,
started
then I
shooting
was
at you.
like, oh shit, you're losing health. And I stopped. And you proceeded to shoot at me.
Also, if you click X, you can mount your horse.
Let's go. I got the rubber duck as well. I got the useless duck sound. Let's go.
Oh, we gotta remember where
Wait.
they are.
Oh,
Wait.
okay. I got one right here.
Yeah, but like we have to remember which ones they are.
We
Okay, I
need
know
Mills
all.
over here. Yeah, I have one in front of me. So we're
I
gonna
have
need
one in
Mills
front
to
of
pull
me.
one.
I know all of them this side. So
What I need to do?
we gotta pull it, magic. Pull it up.
What are
Hold on.
these three? Is this one? Nope. Fuck. I'm gonna check. I'm checking
Wait a
these.
second. I know the ones on the
Okay.
left side.
Okay. I know these ones. All right. This one
Do you?
and this one. All right. Oh.
This
Do you want to guys
one.
click one off? Yeah. Magic.
This
Yep.
one.
That's right. No. Don't touch those other ones. Perfect.
Which one are you missing?
Maybe right here. I think it's one of these. Oh.
It's
it?
one of these two.
Oh shit. We're gonna get unlucky, aren't we?
I'm pulling the left one.
I think it's the right.
Fuck.
Fuck! I was right! I was
Wait a
gonna
sec.
say right! Damn it. Alright.
There we go.
Lucky strike. Ooh, we'll take that.
Oh, hell
You
yeah.
know, can I have a single card, please?
Okay, we need to grab dynamite,
9 dynamite.
which is just from the thing, the little red ones. I think you can throw it up here. Actually.
Oh no, it says you have to stop. When you walk up to it.
Yeah, I'm literally
Oh,
throwing
you
it
gotta
up
click
there.
it, right?
It does. You have to actually click stuff.
Yeah, but like
There you
if
go.
you're down there, you can throw them up here, so we can
Ah.
put them in.
There we
Missing
go.
3.
Dude, one more.
Mills.
Whoa!
Mills.
I got it.
There we
Let's go.
Yeah, magic. Fucking blow up the fucking nook while you're bombed.
Pull all the levers at
Yeah.
the same time.
Are you ready? Go to 1. Go to 1 lever.
Alright, I got this one.
There's gonna be 4, I think. You guys
Yep,
ready?
everyone ready?
Yep.
Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I don't think
I
that
said on
worked.
3. 1, 2,
There you go.
3. There you go.
Okay, time to defend it. No, the music fucking slaps on this.
Oh.
And I actually went to not get the spooky shoes, and it was kind of annoying
They are?
for me at least.
Because I got
have
them.
them.
I have them too.
Yeah, I don't like them.
Oh my god, this game is so much more chaotic when there's more people. It spawns a shit ton of more enemies.
Oh, wrong button. I keep trying to press it. Fuck, I keep pressing E when I mean to press F. Look up this stuff.
Okay, we gotta go to the levers again, guys.
Oh shit. Okay, I guess I'll take this one. Ugh.
You guys ready?
Yeah. 2,
Click it, click
1,
it.
go. Okay, ready, set,
Yeah.
go. There we go.
Run! Run! Run!
Let's go.
I'm kidding.
Oh, we get to watch
You're
it.
gonna see it.
Watch it blow. Or she blow.
I don't think
That's
we
the
can
boss
escape because of
spawner.
Here we go, guys.
Go
Let's go
fight
kill
him.
the boss.
Shit.
Yeah, because your gun is still only gonna do like 12 damage on a headshot, and the enemies are gonna have a shit ton of health. Are we all here?
There we go. Everyone here.
Magic.
I
Oh,
got
wait for
stuck in the
magic.
tree.
Alright,
There we go, guys.
summoning. There we go.
Those damn shoes are hurting my head.
That's what I'm saying, right?
Don't let that touch you.
Fuck.
Be careful, there's still enemies.
Nice.
Alright, we gotta run. Everybody get on your horses.
Oh, do we actually? Oh shit.
Yep.
Alright, go to the exit.
Oh, I got stuck in a tree again.
Oh, like I say, the woman can't drive, man.
Bruh.
Alright, push the bell.
Man, I hate these squeaky shoes. Ow. Keep getting shot.
Here we go.
Ah! The train hit me! One flying for
Oh
a
no.
second.